All right, we are super excited today to share what we like to term now the perfect retirement house here at the farm at Old World Garden. This spot was originally going to be another Airbnb for us, and Mary's parents talked to us and decided that it was time to downsize. And so we kind of changed its design, and now they're going to have a spot at the farm here to live with us, and hopefully a spot that's really safe and easy and enjoyable for them. We built a lot of things into this design to showcase easy living and senior living, and we'll kind of talk about those as we go through. But let's talk about the outside. Again, we used all metal siding. This is board and batten textured. Talk about that a little bit later too. And then the stone, very low maintenance. We do some wood accents, and they need painted every 4 or 5 years, but much easier. The majority of the house with the metal roof, metal siding, and then the stone is 50-year plus maintenance. So you gotta love that. We built this little nook here off the front porch, which I just absolutely love. It's going to be a great place for them to sit either in the morning or night, enjoy a cup of coffee, and just a good area. And then if you look at this little concrete slab, we built it so that you can actually drive up here, whether it be a car or a golf cart, and get out all on the same level and walk inside. So really nice to turn around and really easy. All the landscaping is long-term, low maintenance. We're just really happy with the way it turned out in the design. So we'll take you inside here, and then I'll show you around the back as well. But let's go in and see the details. I want to talk a little bit about the exterior of the home and why it also really helps out. There's the split AC unit, and it's actually running right now. It's kind of a hot day here in June. As you can tell, you can't hear it at all. About the only thing you hear is the bulldozers in the background. But all of the siding here is board and batten metal siding, 50-year warranty. It's textured. People always ask, this is an antique bronze collar, but I'll take you up close to it here and let you see it. It's just textured. Most people think from a distance it's wood. It's really, really long lasting. And then the whole front, of course, is stone. So very little painting, just a little bit of the window trim would be all there ever is. So another nice part of this house that keeps it low maintenance. The house was really built, even though it's got a small floor plan, to feel very spacious. You'll notice the height of the ceilings, the openness really makes it good. There's a lot of echo in here right now because there's no furniture. We just finished the concrete polished floors. I'll talk about those in a second. But alderwood ceiling here to really soften it up and to keep things quiet. Once there's stuff in here, it won't be so much of an echo. The main space here, really all one level as we talked about, but also there are no transitions into any room. Everything is level, even a small transition just for rainwater out to the back porches. I'll show you in the front porch, but that's about it. All split AC cooled, so you can control each room. You see that up on the wall there above the double glass doors that lead to the back screen porch. But the kitchen, all quartz countertops, custom drawers that actually come out and you can pull out. Again, a great thing for anyone, but especially as you get a little older, it's nice not to have to bend over to get things. And just everything you kind of need in very one easy space. There's some space here for some bar stools underneath the main counter, and then a double sink. Gas fireplace, the TV will go above that and can come out and tilt either way. Just nice to keep it warm. So let's talk about the floors. And in addition to being low cost, this is concrete, believe it or not. We now acid stain our concrete before we ever build. We put the slab down. It has heat tubes through it, so this is all heated with on-demand heat. Super efficient and super warm. I know the in-laws are going to love this when it comes to having their feet warm in the middle of winter. Super efficient system, but again, no transitions. You just basically stain the concrete. We scored it and then sealed it, and it's so durable. So over here we have a nice little area for, it could either be couches for them. They want to put their dining table over in that corner, kind of outlook. Some really beautiful views of the woods here that overlook. They're going to enjoy seeing all the deer and every other animal that comes through here. But this is where that will go. And then let me just kind of pan around again. The TV will be able to come out and rotate any which way that you need. And then as I pan back around here, you'll see we have this little area back here that is perfect for a couch, or it could be a eating nook as well. But what I like most about it, we talked about trying to keep it open and not feeling too tied in. We have these windows at the top. They really let in a lot of natural light. That one light there could be a drop-down chandelier if you wanted to put it down here as a table. But again, the kitchen, very, very nice and very easy. I'll take you down the hallway. As you notice one thing, we built these hallways really wide. That makes it easily accessible if there's ever a need for a wheelchair, a walker, cane, anything. There's no trip hazards. Come past the front door entrance and you come right down here to the bathroom. So this design we did specifically with them in mind. They wanted a walk-in shower. We are still awaiting, should be here this week, the glass panels. But as you can see, very low threshold. There'll be a simple glass panel. We installed grab bars all around. Just makes it nice. Frosted window for privacy there in the shower, and then there'll be shades in the other window. A nice vanity. We also have grab bars on either side, or on the right side of the toilet as well. And then the vanity and a nice mirror. A large bathroom, and it's all they wanted, all they need. You could make a second bathroom in this house. People have asked us, we talked about it, but for them, it just made sense to have that one nice bathroom. This is the closet that we are using. It's actually got a barn door, slide in, slide out, so save on space. But this is where the control room is. This could easily be a second bathroom in the floor plan if wanted. But for this, we also put the washer and dryer. And then here's the heat system, which is just amazing. It's all on demand, so it controls the hot water. It goes also the heat. It's also the furnace in the wintertime. You can see all those tubes that go into the floor. They heat the floor. And then we are on well and cistern out here. Well, actually cistern. So we have a complete water system with the UV light that comes out to triple clean the water. It gets clean going in and then cleaned again with filters and then the UV light. So a really simple system when you think about this is everything that controls the house. Again, nice tall. We've talked about we could even put storage up here as well. But this could also double very easily as a bathroom and just wall off that second area of the washer and dryer and the heat system. But for ease of maintenance, one bathroom is what we went with on this one. 2-bedroom, however, and very open and spacious. So again, we went with the skylights in here, makes it really feel nice and open. And you got the ceiling fan, again, a split AC, so if you want to close this room off and control the temperature in here, you can. Very easy. Again, no thresholds. Come in, and then the closets. For this closet, they wanted a little extra storage, so we had some built-in storage shelves put in it. But one of the things I really like is we use magnet closers on these. So when you're closing, these are solid wood doors, you'll hear it here. It grabs it and it keeps them closed. So solid wood doors are a nice touch for the closet. So that's the first bedroom, and then you come right down again, large open hallways, no thresholds going into any room. Come in here, and another bedroom, privacy window on that side again, and then another great view to the outside and the back patio. This has its own AC split here. Split ACs, between our heat system and split ACs, we have to run 0 through the walls as far as HVAC. So that really cuts down on the cost too, but it's also cuts down on any dust or any worry, and again, that view of outside. So in here, the bedroom again, quite spacious. The overall floor plan, I think I mentioned this, just under 1,200 square feet. TV will go on the wall there, and then another nice sized closet. And you have plenty of extra storage as well in that bonus room, or in the laundry room, which is one of the reasons we just for this one did not put the extra bathroom in. So as you come back out the hallway, you can see there's the front. There will be shades on these doors as well, and they can be closed down, but it's just nice when you want the view to look outside and have the light in and be very open. But probably what they like the most, and I think it was one of our favorite things as well, is, you know, outdoor space is just as important to be able to enjoy. And for them, it was a screened-in porch, which really makes this nice. Both of these doors can open going out from the kitchen, so you have plenty of space. Comes out to a large back door porch that's all screened in. Overlooks the woods. Just finished putting the landscaping in there. You see the grass is starting to come in, but what a great viewpoint of the woods here. And then in addition to that, as we finish out, we put an exterior patio for a little fire pit with wood. They can put their gas grill out here and have plenty of backdoor private space if they want. And then as you can see, the doors going into the kitchen. So about 1,200 square feet. We always get the question, what does this cost to build? Of course, it depends on where you live and what you're doing. But you know, with this limited floor plan and the way you do it, depends on how much. Anywhere from $125,000 to $150,000 is usually a good guesstimate, depending on how much you upgrade things. But a really solid floor plan and a really easy floor plan to get around. It's one of the reasons we like to call it the perfect retirement house. It really is. Who knows? I think we may end up back here someday at the farm, just because it's so easy to live to, and so not having to worry about anything at all. So there's a look at it. Hope you enjoy it. You can find out all you want at owgarden.com. That has all of our websites, and this will have a story on oldworldgardenfarms.com as well.